We don't have a lot of longitudinal research to say how AI has impacted the way students learn, but we do have cross-sectional research that actually tells us how students are using AI. And it is kind of scary because they're using, generative AI chatbots to sort of circumvent their learning, to avoid what Rose Wang, a professor at Stanford, calls productive struggle. Learning requires effort, but it's a productive struggle. It's a positive struggle. And what we know about the way they're using AI is actually short-circuiting that learning process that requires going from information seeking to deep knowledge and understanding, and eventually to wisdom, which allows them problem solving and other critical skills that they need to be able to do as they're learning. So personalized learning is a big deal, but it also has a lot of definitions in the field. In my most recent book, which is called Designing Personalized Learning Experiences, a Framework for Higher Education and Workforce Training, we go through all of these definitions. And the one that most resonates with me is about empowering students to become sort of agents in their own learning, where the learner is at the center of the learning process or the learning environment, and we provide learners with tools and technologies and access to things that enable them to take charge of their learning, that enable them to become agents of their own learning. So if you're interested in learning more about how technology can be used as a scaffold, as a companion, our Masters of Science in Learning, Design, and Technology prepares you for this and more.